Today we have to study the nucleophilic substitution reactions of halogen derivatives. In this nucleophilic substitution reactions, group bonded to carbon in a substrate is replaced by another group to get product with no change in state of hybridization of that carbon. The reaction is called as the substitution reaction. Here nucleophile attacks on the alkyl halide. Here R contains the positive charge and the halide contains the negative charge. There is a reaction is carried, formation of a RNU plus X minus. Here Nu represents the nucleophile, R represents the electrophile, which is a carbon atom, and the leaving group X minus, that is the halide group. In the CX bond is a polar bond, covalent bond is present, and there is a positively charged carbon atom polarized. That carbon atom acts as a electrophile central, which has a tendency to react with a nucleophile. Substitution or reactivity of alkyl halides in reaction depends upon two factors: substitution state of the carbon and the nature of the halogen. The order of reactivity is given as follows. Tertiary alkyl halide gives more substitution reactions than the secondary alkyl halides than the primary alkyl halides. There is a reactivity order of these substitution reactions. Some examples of a nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides. All are the alkyl halide group, that is the RAX. Here reagents which contains the nucleophile. In the NaOH, OH minus is a nucleophile or KOH, which contains the OH minus nucleophile. In this example, there is a OR minus is a acts as a nucleophile. C double bond O minus acts as a nucleophile. O minus is acts as a nucleophile. In NH3, one hydrogen is replaced, and NH2 is acts as a nucleophile. Cn minus acts as a nucleophile. Cn minus is acts as a nucleophile. O minus N double bond O, NO2 group. There is a NO2 minus acts as a nucleophile. Here also NO2 minus acts as a nucleophile. All these nucleophiles acts on a alkyl halides, and there is a formation of a NaOH, OH minus, there is a formation of alcohol. Here ether. In this reaction, R dash C double bond O minus acts on the alkyl group, and there is a formation of a ester. NH2 group acts, and there is a formation of a primary amine. Cn minus acts on the alkyl halide, there is a formation of a alkyl cyanide. AgCN, which is there is a both Cn minus and Ag are the non-metal. Therefore, there is a formation of a isocyanide. Nitrogen is also non-metal, and also silver is non-metal, therefore there is a formation of a bond, that is RN triple bond C. Isocyanide formation takes place in presence of a silver cyanide. Potassium nitrate, there is a NO2 group, alkyl nitride is formed, NO2 group X, like this. Same isocyanide case, there is a formation of a nitroalkane. All these are the nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides. In these nucleophilic substitution reactions, there are the mechanism occur. In this reaction, there is a carbocation and the halide ion. There is formation first intermediate carbocation, and on this carbocation nucleophile attacks and formation of a product takes place. In this sequence, or the description regarding the sequence and the way in which these two changes takes place in Asian reaction is called as the mechanism of Asian reaction. This mechanism is study of kinetics of Asian reaction, that is the rate of reaction is measured in this mechanism. That reaction is called as the study of kinetics. First, two types of Asian reactions are occur, that are the Asian 1 and Asian 2 mechanism. In this first, we have to study the Asian 2 mechanism. Asian 2 means the bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. In this bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is the hydrolysis of a methyl bromide takes place to form the methanol and the bromide ion. Here OH minus acts as a nucleophile and CH3Br. Here carbon atom acts as a electrophile in this nucleophilic substitution reaction, and in this reaction rate is the, according to rate law equation, rate is equal to K into concentration of alkyl halide into concentration of nucleophile. Here K is the rate constant. Rate of a chemical reaction influenced by the chemical species taking part in the slowest step of its mechanism. That is the formation of a intermediate. First, in above reactions, reactants are present, both are found. In this reaction, all rate of a reactions, this measured. This means that the reaction is a single step reaction, which can also be called the slowest step. Rate of reaction depends on the concentration of the two reacting species, that is concentration of methyl bromide and hydroxide ion. Therefore, order of this reaction is the second order reaction. Further, it implies that here in this reaction bond breaking and bond forming of carbon takes place simultaneously. Therefore, reaction mechanism represented as the SN2 mechanism. Mechanism of this reaction, here OH minus is a nucleophile attack on this carbon atom. There is a formation of a bond, and in last reaction there is a formation of a OH bond with the carbon atom. On In this SN2 mechanism, attack takes place backside. Therefore, in this reaction, inversion of configuration is occur. In first case, R configuration and product takes place S configuration. Here OH minus attack on the back side of the carbon atom. Here carbon is the sp3 hybridized orbital is present here, and there is a reaction transition state of this reaction, formation of bond between the carbon and the OH minus takes place, as well as there is a bond breaking takes place, and simultaneously there is a formation of a product. Here replacement of a alkyl halide, that is Br minus is replaced from this reaction. There is a, in this reaction, all these three carbon atoms at the left hand side in this reactant side and the in productant side, that are the right hand side, that is the all the three hydrogen atoms are the inverted because of a backside attack of a nucleophile. Now we have to study the SN1 reaction mechanism. In the SN1 reaction mechanism, that is the hydrolysis of tertiary butyl bromide with the KOH or the NaOH. There is a formation of a alkyl halide at the bromide ion. In this reaction, rate is the depend on the only concentration of a tertiary butyl bromide. That is the rate of reaction depend only on the concentration of a substrate, that is the tertiary butyl bromide, and does not depend on the nucleophile, that is the hydroxide ion. Therefore, order of this reaction is the first order reaction. The above reaction takes place by the two-step reaction. Slow step, CX bond in the substrate undergoes the hydrolysis. In first step, the nuclear bond uses its electron pair to form a new bond with the carbon undergoing the change. Reaction mechanism represented by SN1 reaction. In mechanism of SN1 reaction, there is a tertiary butyl chloride forms the first step, carbocation here, and Cl minus is replaced, that is the intermediate formation is the carbocation formation. By the hydrolysis, in first step, there is a formation of a tertiary butyl bromide and H replacement of a H plus. Silent features of this reaction: two-step mechanism, hydrolysis of CX bond in slow and reversible first step to form the planar carbocation intermediate, attack of the nucleophile on the carbon cation intermediate in the first step is the to form the products. In SN1 reaction carried out chiral carbon atom in a optically active substrate, the product form is readily a racemic mixture. This reaction indicates mainly racemization. This means the enantiomers your products are formed.